complete tranquility? What if your next chapter began here? Wake to birdsong, slow down and reconnect. This is what rural living is at its finest. Rolling green paddocks and fertile creek flats. There's plenty of space to call your own.
Oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness, and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Oh, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I take you to a moment